Here are my completed garlands. Hey everybody, welcome back into Home Fix. My name is Loretta. Did y'all see that? Yes, so that's the finished product of what I am building on right now. That is the garland. So I purchased two pre-lit, unflocked garlands, okay? And the problem with this is it's not flocked, but it's only $13.98 per garland, 25 feet, again, from Walmart. If I were to get just one of those garlands in a 9-foot pre-lit flocked, it was $12.98. So yeah, so I went with that and I said, you know what I'm gonna fix it, I'm gonna flock it myself. So I went online and I found this product right here, Sno-flock. I got this from Amazon, y'all, and I was able to pick up a 2-pound bag that's gonna handle all of that for me and have it looking fabulous, or so it says. So you'll need those two things plus a water bottle. You'll also need, I'd say, a reservoir to hold your sifter. The sifter is the tool that you'll need that's gonna help bring this magic all together. And then I've got some gloves here and I've got a mask just to secure my respiratory system, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with all of this right now. If this interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button, comment, and like. Stay until the end to see step by step how to do this and make it easy on yourself, save you some cash, and still get a fabulous look. Now, to check out the wreath, how I did that step by step, that link will be up in the iCard as well as in the description box. I'll show you that step by step too, how this, once completed, was incorporated to have that look, okay? Keep watching. FYI, as an aside, this particular bag, a 2-pound bag, will take care of up to an 8-foot tree. So just so you know how much weight this carries as far as the coverage goes. So it should be able to handle 50 feet of garland. Let's get into it. So as you can see for the process of what's going on here, you go ahead and fluff out your garland or your greenery, lay it out, put it together so that you don't have a lot of spaces because you'll lose your powder that way. We don't want to do that. So once you have that all situated the way you want, you go ahead and mist it with your bottle, mist it liberally with water only, and then you want to go ahead and start pulling out your powder. And with your sifter, you're sifting and misting at the same time. Coordination is a key here. So you're sifting and misting, and you're spraying your wreath at the same time, your wreath or your garland at the same time. Once you're done with all of that, then you're gonna go ahead and seal what you've done with the powder by misting your greenery again, okay? That will basically seal it and act like glue at that point. Here are my garlands. I got two 25-foot garlands. I let it dry overnight. It seems a little bit damp, not completely, but a little bit damp in there. The recommendation is to let it dry 24 to 48 hours. 48, I would say, is good, but this is good enough for me to complete my project. To check out how this was incorporated in my huge 50 by 40 inch wreath, check out the video right here. It'll be there for you. And you guys, just to let you know, there's some areas on here that I put thicker coating of snow. See that? I just took my hand and I just shook it on there and sprayed at the same time, mimicking the sifting process, but to allow for a thicker coating. So you can do that too. And the backside, I did not spray, only the front, since it's gonna lay down on the board. I didn't need to do that. So I was able to spare myself of using all the powder up. You can see how much that I used right here. So I'll have that for another project at another time. But the coating is staying on here really good. It's not coming off. Now, if you shake it, yeah, it's gonna fall off. But for me, this is great. I will complete my project. You guys make sure you check out the finished product, and I'll see you on the next video of Home Fix. Make sure you let me know if you're gonna give this a try. Take care, y'all.